how to get back old account on Subway Surfers. So if you want to get back the old account on Subway Surfers, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection and ensure you're connected to your game to the same account you were using before the incident. If you decide to transfer the process from one device to another, make sure that both devices use the same newest version of the game. Now you just need simply search for Subway Surfers and open the game. After opening the game, you can go with the upper right, which has that settings icon, and then you can go and connect with your Facebook, or you can also connect with your Play games. After tapping on connect with your Facebook, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply go back and tap and hold on to that Subway Surfers application. Go with the app info. Under the app info, you can go with storage and cache and go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, you can go back, and now if you restart your device, your problem might be fixed. Or you can also just simply tap and hold on to that again and go with the app info, and you can remove the data. Go with storage and cache and go with clear storage, and then delete all of the data from the application. And after that, if you go with the application, it will ask you for your age, and you can log in with your Facebook or your Play Store, and you will get back your Subway Surfers with all progress. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.